Hello everyone, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is November 9th. I'm doing a review and outlook price analysis video for gold. This is gold's daily chart, and to quickly go over last week's video, I'd shown you this rising wedge pattern. The price of gold did fall below it and confirm it to the downside. It is a negative pattern. I didn't expect gold to fall all the way down to the 1460 level, but as you can see, it came down to the 1458 level. The new support level for gold can be found around the 1455, 1456 level, which will be posted in next week's video. As far as the reason behind gold's price fall, we can blame the talk of trade hopes in the market. There was talk about rollbacks in the tariffs and so on, and the market was getting all giddy. I believe the Dow hit repeatedly new highs last week. But then on Friday, there was news that came out that Trump said that he had not agreed to rollbacks. So it stopped the market's jubilant attitude towards the trade deal happening, and it stopped also gold's fall in price. Now, for next week, I'm expecting gold to rebound and move to the upside. Excuse the pop-up there. Let me move this other line here. You can probably see the pattern yourself taking shape. It is a falling wedge. A falling wedge is a positive pattern. And the price of gold is expected to move to the upside. In the MACD and the RSI on the daily chart, we can see that they are both in oversold territory. If we go to the 4-hour chart, you can see that much more clearly how that the MACD and the RSI are in oversold territory. So we should see a pop to the upside. As far as how much of a pop to the upside, it really kind of depends on what happens on the fundamental side. This is technical analysis. As far as fundamentals go, we can look to, there's two things. One, Trump is speaking at the Economic Club of New York on Tuesday, which traders are looking at to see if he says anything positive or negative for that matter on the trade deal. Also, Jerome Powell is testifying in front of Congress on Wednesday and Thursday, which I'm expecting to hear dovish words coming out of Jerome Powell, but the market's going to be pretty much hanging on his every word too, as to try to get a gauge on how to trade assets on the market as well as gold and silver. But that's really what to pay attention to in the market next week. Also, we do have, I believe, retail sales numbers coming out on Friday. If I can find that here, let me see here. Where is it? There it is. Retail sales on the 15th comes out. So if that comes out negative, that will likely help gold. But if it comes out positive, it will likely hurt gold. But for next week, I do expect a pop-up in the price of gold. I do expect it to break above 1480 easily. 1520 will likely be a strong resistance level. We'll have to see where it goes next week. But I do expect it to move to the upside. So I thank you for your time. Take care, and God bless.